Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I recorded a video and it was the exact same one, but then my screen recorder, which was Mobazine, it lagged and it didn't let me, it just wasn't working. I did videos, but it said the resolution or something, I don't know. But so I got a new one, the DVU recorder, and yeah, so this video has been requested by beatliie, who commented down on my videos, the one that I did recently today, which was called How to Do Backtick on Mobile Kickoff. He commented, can you tell me how you got the keyboard? So now this video is going to be for him as he requested a video. If you guys want to request a video, as I said in my videos, make sure suggest some videos down below and I can surely help. So let's just go right into it. For proof, first, proof. This is beatliie commented on the video, how do you do your keyboard like that, and then just had a little conversation, and then yeah. So now I'll show you how you do it. What you want to do is you want to download an app, and that app is called Emoji Keyboard. That app is really cool, and I'm going to put the link down below in the description. So first you're going to go to Google, submit Emoji Keyboard. I'll put it in the description. Then what you want to do is type whatever picture. So let's just say I wanted a panda keyboard theme. I would search panda. This way. Then go to images, and then you know what? I think it would be better to get a logo. So type in, maybe it's up to you, anything you want, just type that in. So I'm just gonna type in this time. Don't know why I keep doing these really cool stuff, but yeah. So let's say I wanted this. Whatever one you want, go on it and screenshot it however your device lets you screenshot. So I'm going to screenshot it. Do not edit it. Do not crop it on anything. Just listen to the instructions. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go onto Emoji Keyboard. It's a really cool app. You can get as many custom keyboards as you want. Just get them from Google, how I'm showing you. It's way better from Google than downloading a whole app. It saves storage and stuff. You just need to have Emoji Keyboard really, and then you can make it. Then you're gonna click on DIY on the app, and then I'm just gonna click X. Then here the first one is like an image button. You're gonna click on that, and it's gonna take you. It will either be on any of these. You're gonna click on images, and then it's got screenshot, camera, WhatsApp, and then Fonto, which I don't know if any of you have it. I deleted it, but yeah. Then you're gonna click on screenshots. Then the one you have is you're gonna press on it. The one that you screenshotted. Then you're gonna press apply when you think that's the right one, and boom, there you have it. So that is how you do it beatliie. Also, that's not it. You can edit it. Look, you can do different fonts. It's an amazing app. Color whatever you want, and yeah, it's absolutely amazing, everyone. So make sure to download this app. This is exactly how you do it. I've got other ones as well. I've got Gucci, I've got Supreme Oreos, my favorite biscuit. Look, so cool. So yeah, that's how you do it, beatliie. Thank you for requesting a video as well. I'm always happy to help you. Whoever wants to request a video, feel free to just comment anything that you want me to do down below. So yeah, just gonna go post this video, and then I'm gonna message beatliie that I've done it, so you can go watch how to do it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next video.